Good morning everyone, this is Faridi Kalra.
Good morning everyone, this is Shrishti Singh.
We are the students of Alpine Public School and we are here to represent our project on health and wellness. Well, it has been said that you are what you eat. So, do you know that your physical fitness can affect your mental health? So, let's consider this. Yoga and physical exercise are both very essential for our overall health and well-being. This contributes to our physical fitness by improving our cardiovascular health, strengthening muscles, enhancing flexibility and well-being. These also affect our mental fitness by reducing the stress and anxiety through the release of the hormones endorphins.
Well, if I talk about yoga, in particular it promotes mindfulness and relaxation that lead to emotional balance, and also regular physical exercises or regular physical activities improve our health and also improve our sleep quality, and it helps us to manage our weight issues. And there are some healthy tips that everyone should follow, like you all should take a balanced diet, you all should stay hydrated, you all should get enough sleep, and there are many more. Now, talking about healthy food like fruits and vegetables that nourish our body, not only our body but also our soul, and support overall well-being. And unhealthy food that have high sugar and fat can lead to more and more health issues like diabetes and other heart disease. So prioritizing nutrients over unhealthy food can provide us energy and also help us to lead a better balanced lifestyle. And this is said that the food you eat can be either the most powerful form of medicine or the slowest form of poison.
Well, there are also some vaccines that are very essential for everyone should have. BCG vaccine, MMR vaccine, Penta vaccine, COVID vaccine. These are the vaccines that is very essential for everyone should have. Talking about smoking and drinking, these are the things which are very dangerous for our health. This contains harmful chemicals which damage our vital organs, and then it reduces our overall life expectancy. And additionally, the smoking does not affect only the smokers but only affects those who are exposed to the second-hand smoke.
Now, the lungs of smokers and non-smokers differ significantly. Like the lungs of smokers are highly damaged, and also they reduce elasticity, and the tissues are also damaged. The ciliary function is also impaired in smokers, which lead to reduced mucus clearance and increased inflammation.
So it will be better for us to choose our health over habit, because your lungs will thank you.
And also, Alpine Family is promoting health and wellness by considering more and more activities in our school. Like in our school, we conduct meditation in school assembly and also at the time of disposal. And there are yoga classes and other yoga sessions that has been conducted in our school on daily basis.
Regular physical exercise are also conducted in the morning assembly, and counseling sessions are also conducted once in a month for every different classes.
So let's see the power of